Good evening to one and all present over here. The wait is finally over and we are going to start off with our program soon. Our children are all ready. Can we have a big round of applause for them just to boost their motivation? Yes, please, louder. This is all their hard work, 10 days of hard work, and trust me parents, they have put in a lot of efforts. So with a big round of applause and with all our good wishes, we welcome the kiddos onto the stage. Let the program begin. Thank you so much.
Good evening, parents. Gonna sing a poem. We will start now. Bright with a smile and cheerful the day, talent and it up away. Memories created, laughter so bright. Summerscape made every moment a delight.
Good evening, one and all present over here.
Aditya, I'm here.
Acha bachchu, you think you will be able to pull off this show without my help? Don't forget, I am the big...
अरे छोटा बच्चा जान के हमको आंख दिखाना रे.
Well, then let's be partner tonight. I will show you the path and you will walk on it.
All right, carry on.
So ladies and gentlemen, good evening one and all present over here. A very vibrant welcome to our grand celebration, the Summerscape 2026. It is the celebration where the talent shines brighter than the summer sun and each performance narrates a beautiful story. Tonight, let your hearts applaud louder, your smile shine brighter, and your spirit soar higher as our young stars are going to rock the stage with their extraordinary talent. So dear audience, are you ready? Then sit back, relax, and get ready to witness an evening filled with music, dance, laughter, and endless excitement.
Chance to speak.
Worry, this is just the beginning. Acha chalo, you come back during the musical performance.
To begin this wonderful eve, we warmly welcome our respected chief guest, Principal Sir, and his presence our joy and honor. As we begin this memorable evening, let us seek the blessings of prosperity and knowledge through the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. May I request our guests to kindly join us for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गाये गणपति जगवन्दन गाये गणपति जगवन्दन शंकर सुमन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुमन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन सीधी सदन गज बदन विनायक सीधी सदन गज बदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक शंकर सुमन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन शंकर सुमन भवानी नंदन शंकर सुमन भवानी नंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदन.
Let the glow of the heart every night. Our most former going to create rag. So sit, enjoy soulful tabla, guitar and keyboard.
Hello.
अत्यंत सुरीला राग.
सदान गजवदन विनायक कृपासिन्धु सुन्दर सबलायक कृपासिन्धु सुन्दर सबलायक गाये गणपति जगवन्दन गाये गणपति गा रे पागा रे गाये गणपति जगवन्दन सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक सा गपधा सा रे गा रे धा धा सा धा सा धा पा गा रे पा गा रे सा रे गा पा धा सा सी सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपासिन्धु सुन्दर सबला गाये गणपति जगवन्दन गाये गणपति गाये गणपति जगवन्दन गाये गणपति गाये गणपति सा रे गा पा धा सा धा पा गा पा धा पा गाये गणपति सा रे गा पा धा सा धा पा गा पा धा पा गा रे सा गाये गणपति गा पा धा सा रे रे सा धा सा सा गा पा गा रे सा गाये गणपति गा पा धा सा रे रे सा धा सा सा गा पा गा रे सा गाये गणपति सा रे गा रे गा गा रे सा रे रे सा धा पा धा सा गाये गणपति सा रे गा रे गा गा रे सा रे रे सा धा पा धा सा गाये गणपति जग गाये गणपति सा रे गा पा धा सा धा पा गा पा धा पा गा रे गा पा धा सा रे रे सा 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 धा पा गा रे सा रे गा रे गा गा रे सा रे रे सा धा पा धा सा गाये गणपति गाये गणपति गाये गणपति
Dear parents, may we have a big round of applause for the students over here. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next part of the musical session.
Good evening, everyone. This song is a tribute to the Indian Army.
rendition. Thanks to our talented performers for filling the atmosphere with beautiful melodies and rhythm. The performance truly joyful tune for the
Dear audience, it is time to extend our heartfelt welcome to our respected dignitaries. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the achievements and talent of our young stars, also take a moment to express our gratitude to those who continuously inspire and support us. Now, I would like to invite Renasha ma'am to carry forward the program.
Good evening, everyone. With immense pride and heartfelt warmth, I, Renasha Rath, a primary facilitator of GD Goenka Public School, Bhubaneswar, extend a gracious welcome to our dignitaries, our respected principal sir, members of the school, and our dear esteemed parents. Dedicated teachers, dear students, thank you all for this wonderful Summerscape 2026, a vibrant celebration of creativity, learning, talent, and joyful discovery. Your presence today adds great value and inspiration to this occasion, and we are truly honored to have you with us. As we go forward and showcase the remarkable journey our students have experienced during this enriching summer program, we culminate all the 10 days efforts of our lovely students. Summerscape is not merely a camp, it is a platform where young minds explore their potential beyond the boundaries of classroom. Over the past weeks, our students immersed themselves in a wide range of engaging activities designed to nurture confidence, creativity, collaboration, and life skills. From art and craft, music, dance, theater, public speaking, sports, personality development, and coding sessions to hands-on experiential learning activities, every workshop became an opportunity for our lovely students to discover new passions and strengthen their ability. They learned the importance of teamwork, discipline, communication, leadership, while developing resilience, curiosity, and problem-solving skills. As we begin with this wonderful celebration, let us encourage and applaud our students for stepping out of their comfort zones and embracing learning with enthusiasm and joy. Moving forward, a leader inspires not only with words, but also with vision and encouragement. Dear ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. S.K. Singh, whose guidance motivates every student to dream big and shine brighter. With a thunderous clap, let's welcome him onto the stage.
A very good evening and Jai Jagannath. Indeed, this is the special evening for all of us. So there is a line from APJ Abdul Kalam, a skill education is not about earning livelihood. It is about empowering individuals to become confident, creative, and self-independent individuals. Study and curriculum goes throughout the year, but these skill sessions are the very special moment where students feel joy, learning, and collaborating together. नए विचारों की रोशनी जलाइए और अपने हुनर से इस दुनिया को सजाइए. This is a very simple line. These all skills which we take forward to the life are memorable. Honorable Chief Guest for the today, Sri Hriday Kumar Shahu, who is yet to arrive. Guest of honor for today, Pallavi Mahapatra ma'am, who has arrived from US, luckily, and my two mothers sitting in front of me all the time, they are blessing. B.O. sir and Lipika ma'am. All my respected parents and loving students. This journey of GD Goenka Bhubaneswar is already become a signature of Indian map. So let me start with few achievements which is behind the curtain and you are not aware of. This program starts from nursery to class 10th, but two remarkable things which I would like to bring into your notice. Last year, class 11th, 157 student was the highest of entire GD Goenka, 150 branches. And this year, 200 plus students of class 11th, those who have come from different part of Odisha, as well as Karnataka, Jharkhand, and maybe some other part of India. This is the big commitment of Honorable President Prashant Mahapatra sir, who is watching this program live, and Amit Misra sir, who is always behind the curtain. Never he comes on front. Now, your responsibility as a always helping parent and my responsibility to accept your suggestions and take this journey forward. Honestly speaking, temperature 40 degree, but still students wants to play football. All time you are worried, this much temperature and rehearsal is going on. When we are in journey of joy, never will feel it is cold or it is hot. Renasa has already explained, all coaches and other people, those who are involved in this 10 days journey, I think no one has any kind of dissatisfaction towards this journey. At last, another great news, all the students of GD Goenka Bhubaneswar, around 400 students, have been shifted back to this building. You are not aware of, but when I used to talk to my GD Goenka office, Delhi, it is the highest intake of again 150 school, which is big responsibility. And this year, class 11th intake and our original batch of 2027 for our class 10th and 12th is ready. Very soon, you will be finding an auditorium by next year. I can promise you, I can share you. But you as a parent, in number of time, what I have realized, have been a great support for the institution. So clap for yourself first, because without you, there is nothing. You and we are the bridging gap between students' expectation and the future desire. My entire teaching team is ready to accept your suggestion all the time. Sometimes it is very hard to answer few questions. Please forgive me. May not be the right question or may not be the right discussion. Sometimes I do feel I should meet each parent, but sometimes my profession does not allow that I should help you out of box. Maybe this is the time which we can focus to the students, not taking much of your time. I should wish my best wishes to all students, those who are waiting for this beautiful evening from past 10 days. Entire team is waiting and they are all the time scared कि I don't know how much time he is going to take. So these 4 lines just I'll conclude. जोश से भरा दिल हो तो हर काम आसान होता है. जोश से भरा दिल हो तो हर काम आसान होता है और मेहनत करने वालों का ही दुनिया में नाम होता है. विदाउट हार्ड वर्क नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. ठोकरों से डरना मत कभी, ठोकरों से डरना मत कभी, और संघर्षों के बाद ही हासिल मुकाम होता है. जोश से भरा दिल हो तो हर काम आसान होता है. जय जगन्नाथ, Vande Mataram, and once again welcome to all my parents and loving students. All the best. Now, between you and students, there is a music, dance, and creativity.
They are all decked up so beautifully and we're waiting patiently backstage with all their costumes, ghungroos, everything. So please, let's give a big round of applause and boost their motivation. Thank you. And dear children, you're looking gorgeous. All the best.
फसाना तुम बताना हटाए भाया बिघ्नो न सानो तुम्हें ही सृष्टि तुम्हें विनाश जुगे जुगे तुम लिया प्रकाश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश विनायक विघ्नहर्ता श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश विनायक विघ्नहर्ता श्री गणेश
दिया है विद्या दिया है बुद्धि सकल कार्य है मुसीधि सुखरदाता भाग्य विधाता परिकरा भाग परिधि
तुम्हें ही कार्य तुम्हें कराना चरण तुम दियो शरण जीवन तुम्हें उच्छ्वास तुम्हें ही शक्ति तुम्हें विश्वास श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश विनायक विघ्नहर्ता श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश विनायक विघ्नहर्ता श्री गणेश
एकदन्तं महाकायं तप्तकञ्चनसन्निभं लम्बोदरं विशालाख्यं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम् अम्बिकाहृदयानन्दं मातृभिः परिपालितं भक्तप्रियं मदोमत्तं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम्
श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश विनायक विघ्नहर्ता श्री गणेश
Oh my goodness, what a wonderful dance performance it was. Thank you to our respected dance performers for this divine and mesmerizing performance. It was a beautiful beginning filled with devotion and elegance. Your cuteness truly brings smile to everyone's face. So audience, can we have a huge round of applause for them?
Dear audience, our tiny stars, LKG and UKG girls are now ready to steal your hearts with a performance on a traditional Korean nursery rhyme, which is all about dancing in a circle, clapping and playing together happily. So get ready. That innocent smiles and energetic moves will sure bring a smile on your face. of applause for our little star. Thank you, Cherry, for spreading smiles and have adore.
Today's digital world, smart online, just as important as being smart in the class. Stay alert up and today our talented performers are ready to present meaning that reminds us how can online. So let's welcome our performers with a huge round of applause.
Good evening, friends. Today is Zia's birthday. Hi everyone. Today is my birthday and my father gifted me a mobile phone. Let's open it. Wow! So many apps in this phone. This is Facebook. This is WhatsApp. This one Instagram. This one is YouTube. I wish they could talk with me. It's too late. I want to sleep. Ria is dreaming and all apps are alive. Hello, I am Facebook. Ping, I am WhatsApp. Smile everyone, Instagram is here. Don't forget I am YouTube. Oh my god, you all are alive? Can you please tell me something about you? What can you do for me? I can help you to connect friends and family. I will send messages, photo and video quickly. I will help you to share pictures and reels. I have cartoons, songs, music video and much more. Wow, you all are so friendly and helpful. All the apps are fighting among themselves and I have to prove who is the best one. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. It's okay. Don't fight. Let's spend time together. Ria, come and eat your food. 1 minute, ma. Ria, come and study now. 1 minute, Papa. This is all because of strict mobile phone. She is always busy with it. Yes, she's not spending time. No. Yes, she's not studying or spending time with us anymore. I have too much work. I need to go. I have too much. I also have. I have too much work. What should I do? What happened? Why are you crying? Mama, I will got very low marks in the exam. It is all because of our mobile phone. Too much use of mobile phone not good for. But Papa, these apps make me happy. We know that, dear. But because of too much screen time, your studies are getting affected. Technology is good only when used in balance. Okay, Papa. Okay, Mama. Now I understand. I use social media carefully and wisely. Very good, beta. Very good, beta. Come, Papa. Come, Mama. Let's have fun. Thank you.
What a powerful and thought-provoking performance was that. Their skit reminded us that being responsible online is the key to creating a safer and smarter future for everyone. Can we have a huge round of applause for their wonderful presentation?
Dear audience, get ready to groove on another energetic performance filled with color, joy and enthusiasm. Our grade 1 students are here to perform with courage, sacrifice and many more emotions, the unconditional love of a mother. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके है जैसे बादलों की मैं और चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बाबरिया
खुदा ना मेरा हाथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल हाँ मुश्किल से ही आसान हुई मंजिल क्योंकि धड़कन मैं तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला ममता के आंचल में पला तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला ममता के आंचल में पला माँ ओ मेरी माँ मैं तेरा लाडला ओ मेरी माँ मैं तेरा लाडला बन के तेरा साया मैं तुझको थाम लूं उठ के रब से पहले मैं तेरा नाम लूं रखूं तुझे पलकों तले पूजा करूं तेरी तेरे सिवा तू ही बता क्या जिंदगी मेरी मैं तो तेरे सपनों के रंग में ढला
Wow, what a brilliant performance by our young friends. I'm sure it must have left you all in an emotional state. But then, mothers are our first teachers, our strongest support system, and our forever guiding star. So paying a tribute to her is absolutely mandatory.
Well, the stage is now ready to welcome our enthusiastic UKG boys who are here to entertain you with a cheerful expression and delightful dance moves. Their performance will surely bring a smile on your face. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
journey is found in As You Like It by William Shakespeare, to the famous poem The Seven Ages of Man. In this timeless piece, Shakespeare explains about the 7 different stages of life that every man goes through, starting from infancy to the old age. Today, our talented performers are ready to bring this classic masterpiece alive on stage through their wonderful presentation. With that, dear reciters, the stage is all yours.
Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely pale. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts mean 7 ages. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arm. Then the morning school boy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school. And then the lover, shying like corners, with a awful mallet made to his mistress's eyebrow. Then the soldier, full of stained oaths and bearded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. And then the churches, in fair round belly, with good cap on line, with eyes severe, and beard of form and cut, full of high sauce and modern extension. And so he plays his part. The 6th age shrimp into the lean and slipper pantaloon, with spectacle of nose and pouch on side. His act goes well a world too wide for his action and his big manly voice, turning again towards childish travel, pipes and whistles in the sound. The last scene of all that ends this strange dreadful history is second childishness and we are oblivion. Sans heat, sans ice, sans stage, sans everything.
Also deserve a huge round of applause.
Energy, excitement, and joyful rhythm return to the stage once again. Let's cheer for our talented Class 2 performers as they dedicate this performance to all the mothers. Through this performance, they will express their gratitude, love, and admiration for all the women who make our lives beautiful every day.
जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी एक छोटी सी फूंक से तेरी सभी दर्द मेरे होते थे गुम आज भी कोई चोट लगेगा याद आती हो तुम आज भी मेरी आँख भरेगा याद आती
Wow, that was truly amazing. Dear audience, let's have a roaring round of applause for our talented students. Your graceful moves and beautiful expressions truly reflected the love, care, and sacrifices of every mother.
As we are moving forward, let's invite our smart AI coding student to have a presentation. They have developed a website using HTML and CSS. I would like to invite them onto the stage for the presentation. Let's have a roaring round of applause for them.
Good evening everyone. Today we are going to present our Summerscape project AI and coding. This project helps us learn about different types of HTML basics, CSS styling and other types of JS scripts and all. So welcome all. This project helps us to learn about different types of structured project work on the building blocks of every website on the internet. We students of GD Goenka with a little prior coding. We used our little coding experience provided by our teachers to create a website. Web development is one of the highest demand, highest paying career paths globally.
So what is a web development? HTML gives the structure of your website and CSS adds styles and decorative items to your website. So together they form the foundation of the HTML website.
What we have learned? We have learned about HTML basics, CSS styling, responsive design and also about our future careers.
So why HTML and CSS? So HTML and CSS are the only ones which help you to create a website because they are beginner friendly and easy to access and they don't need any installation.
Here what can a student build using CSS and HTML? They can build school websites, mobile friendly pages and also personal portfolios. They can share their talents online by posting design.
So how can you access our website? Our website is hosted online and you can access it through a browser or a QR code which we will provide.
Thank you. This is our 10 days of hard work. We have all made this website. You can use this scanner of our project to scan and see the web design in your mobile. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to honor and felicitate our guest of honors today. Our two most powerful women whose presence has graced the entire occasion. It is my privilege, absolute privilege to welcome Mrs. Pallavi Mahapatra and Ms. Lipika Devangan, a pure symbol of power, strength, perseverance and tolerance. They are the strength and all what you all are seeing today, it's because of their blessings. And on back, they have already given us a lot of motivation. Please, ma'am, please come on to the stage. May I request our Honorable Principal Sir to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a big round of applause for them. They are our backbone, they are our real strength. With their blessings, we are all over here giving our best. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking up time and being with us today. Yes, let the applause keep roaring. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out time and being with us today. We'll carry on with the performance tonight. Now's the time to call upon the achievers on stage.
Moving on. Success is the result of hard work, dedication and perseverance. We now begin with the certificate distribution ceremony to honor those who have achieved academic excellence through their tireless commitment. The achievers, kindly come forward to the stage as you hear your names being called out. Over to Rinasha.
I would like to request Principal Sir, along with guest of honors, Mrs. Pallavi Mahapatra and Mrs. Lipika Devangan, to kindly come onto the stage and hand over the certificates to our achiever. Grade 3, in the first position, we have Rihan Singh Marwa.
Dear audience, can we have a big round of applause for our wonderful achiever?
Rihan Singh has secured 95.98% in grade 3A. Moving on, in the second position, we have Kaushik AS. who has secured 95.83%. And in the third position, we have Gyan Sahu, who has secured 95.75%.
Let's cheer loudly for this talented star. Come on everyone, can we have a big round of applause for these achievers?
From grade 3B, we have Advika Nayak securing 96.56%.
What a proud moment. Let's appreciate them with a huge clap.
Next in grade 4A, Vedanshi Panda securing 97.05%.
Let's encourage our young achiever with big smiles and louder cheers.
Next we have from 5A, Arohi securing 97.41%. Next is Rayansh Pradhan securing 96.18%.
The audience, please put your hands together for these amazing achievers.
Well done, children. You truly deserve this certificate. Next, moving on from 6A, we have Srirup Soham securing 97.35%.
One more big cheer for this wonderful achiever.
And from 7A, in the first position, we have Sindhuja Mishra securing 97.58%.
Let the applause continue for our rising stars.
The second position, we have Aradhya Dash securing 97.29%.
Come on everyone, let's cheer for these achievers.
And in the third position, we have Devanshi Jogesh Pati securing 95.3%.
Come on everyone, let's celebrate this special moment with cheerful applauses.
From 8A, we have Aditya Bharadwaj Mishra securing 98.8%. Audience, a proud parent, where the mother is handing the certificate to the son. Can we have a big round of applause? And in the second position, we have Devik Arya securing 96.37%.
The audience, please put your hands together for these amazing achievers.
From grade 9, we have Arnav securing 95.19%. But from grade 10, we have Ojal Patel securing 97.5%.
Come on everyone, loud applause please.
This student have made us proud securing great results in the 10th board. And next we have Amit Mishra securing 93.2%.
Let's cheer loudly for these achievers.
Miss Ojal secured 100 out of 100 in maths and social science. And Master Amit Mishra secured 100 out of 100 in information technology. Overall securing 93.2%. And now we have Srirup Soham from 6A securing 97.35%. Dear audience, can we have a loud round of applause, please? Keep blessing our students. They have done a wonderful job, and going further, they will keep doing and bringing Lawrence to school. I hereby request Miss Ojal Patel and Master Amit Mishra to come forward and say a few lines about their journey. After the photo, Ojal and picture Ojal, sir.
Good evening, respected principal sir, the chief guest and my dear teachers and the audience. I am Ojal Patel, now a grade 11 student of this team. I am overwhelmed by the honor of giving this on this prestigious day. Today, I am here to provide the words of encouragement and to share my experience of the board exam. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers for their continuous support and for believing in me even when I doubted myself. It is only because of their guidance that I was able to score a good percentage in my grade 10. Next, I would like to thank my parents for their continuous patience and for being the pillars of strength. Past year had been a roller coaster of late night studies, anxiety and intense preparation. But today, as I look at my result, I think that all of the hard work seems justified. However, this result does not define our entire potential or our entire future. It is simply a key opening door to the next academic journey. I used to say that it's the effort that matters, not the result. I don't think that class 10th is a big milestone, but yes, I would definitely agree that I really learned how to work hard and be consistent in my study. I would really want to guide my juniors that don't take too much stress, be chill, because I've seen them taking too much stress. Your result doesn't define you. It's the hard work and the efforts that you put behind. So even if you score less in your 10th grade, be thankful that you worked hard and you got the opportunity. If you know hard, you can achieve a lot in your. With that note, I'll take my leave. Thank you to everyone who supported me and guided me through this. Thank you.
Evening to one and all present here, Honorable Principal Sir and dear teachers. I would like to start by wholeheartedly thanking my dear mother who went above and beyond to provide me with my needs and wants, which she still does even to this day. If not for her, I could never have performed as I did in my exams and school. Then I would like to thank my beloved teachers and friends who still help me anytime I face challenge. We have shared countless laughs and joyful moments which I will never ever forget. When I first joined this school, it was still being built. Only one building which we studied in was almost finished. But look at where we are now. I feel proud knowing I changed as the school did to be better, which was all due to the support from the people I hold so close to my. I thought the 10th grade would make me fall, but hard work, consistency, and most importantly, patience from both me and my loved ones helped me succeed and attain the success I now have. To all the students who will take their board exams in the future, all I'll say is that you do not have to study for 15 hours a day or get extremely stressed for your exams, but what you do have to do is enjoy your time while being in 10th while also studying at least 2-3 hours a day, focusing on weak subjects. Once again, before I end my speech, I would like to thank all my teachers, friends and my mother along with myself for what I did in my exam. Thank you.
Moving on, India's cultural beauty best shines through its folk tradition and dances. This colorful Sambalpuri dance performance not only highlights the rich heritage and joyful spirit of Odisha, but also makes us feel proud of being a part of such a rich culture. So let's welcome the spirit of Sambalpuri with a thunderous round of applause.
vibrant performance truly filled the stage with tradition and joy and made the presentation memorable for everyone present over.
Shot, cut, and action. Acting becomes powerful when it spreads message, awareness, and creates change. Coming up is a powerful Nukkad Natak. Through their impactful performance, the students will highlight the importance of cyber safety.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. What about you?
We are fine, sir.
Today, I'm very happy to see you all working very hard, and today means now I will be appreciating your hard work with some awards. So let's start. So, the leader who maintains discipline and guides the class will be given the title of the class captain, and the title of the class captain goes to R.F. Sinha. Congratulations. Thank you. And now, the child who encourages curiosity, experiments, and scientific thinking will be given the title of the Science Explorer, and the title of Science Explorer goes to Rishabh. Congratulations. And now, the child who supports digital learning and technology-based activities will be given the title of the Tech Genius, and the title of Tech Genius goes to Rihan. Congratulations. And now the child who promotes conservation of energy and responsible use of resources will be given the title of the Power Saver, and the title of Power Saver goes to Shritha. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And now the child who creates awareness about the world and global values will be given the title of the Global Guide, and the title of Global Guides goes to Advika. Congratulations. And now the child who inspires students in mathematics and logical thinking will be given the title of the Number Ninja, and the title of Number Ninja goes to Anjika.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And now the child who maintains class records and important information will be given the title of the Record Keeper, and the title of Record Keeper goes to Soumya. Congratulations. And now the child who encourages creativity through art and expression will be given the title of the Art Master, and the title of Art Master goes to Padmakshri. Congratulations. And now the child who promotes vocabulary skills and language skills will be given the title of the Word Wizard, and the title of Word Wizard goes to Krisha.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. And now the child who maintains order, discipline, and proper movement in lines will be given the title of the Q-Up, and the title of Q-Up goes to Devansh. Congratulations. Children, I would like to see you all working very hard for the next year. So children, let's show the audience that how you all are smart through a Nukkad Natak. तो चलो हो जाए?
हो जाए। शुभ संध्या। आज हम आपके सामने एक नुक्कड़ नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। 1, 3 स्टार्ट।
आया है नया जमाना, आया है नया जमाना, आया है नया जमाना, आया है नया जमाना, विज्ञान का जमाना, आया है नया जमाना, विज्ञान का जमाना, आया है नया जमाना, मुश्किलों को अपनाना, आया है नया जमाना, मुश्किलों को अपनाना, आया है नया जमाना। हे 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 हे।
नया जमाना, नया दौर है। जिधर भी देखो यारो, सबके हाथ में मोबाइल है।
मोबाइल है, सबके हाथ में मोबाइल है।
इंटरनेट की इस सबको ऐसे जकड़ लिया, रिश्ते नाते सब जब से हाथ में मोबाइल पकड़ लिया।
मोबाइल हाथ में पकड़ लिया, मोबाइल हाथ में पकड़ लिया। हाँ तो क्या है इसमें खराबी? हर ताले की है ये चाबी। नया युग जो आया है, साइबर युग ही तो लाया है। समय का धन तो बचाता है, बस बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है।
बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है। बटन दबाओ काम हो जाता है।
कोई भी बिल
बटन दबाओ।
बैंक के काम,
बटन दबाओ।
स्कूल की फीस,
बटन दबाओ।
कोई बुकिंग कोई भी,
बटन दबाओ। बटन दबाओ। बटन दबाओ।
घर में केवल बटन दबाओ, सारी दुनिया
साइबर ठगी वाले मेरा कैश बैग सब लूटा। कैसे लूटा? एक लॉटरी का मैसेज मेरे मोबाइल पे था आया, लिखा था लिंक पर दबाओ अपने अकाउंट पर लाखों पाओ। मैंने लिंक को दबाया और सारा बैंक बैलेंस लुटाया। लो जी सुनो जी, ऐसी मुसीबत में ना ही फंसो जी। अगर फंस भी गए तो स्क्रीनशॉट दबाओ, साइबर पुलिस को बताओ, कोई लिंक ना दबाओ। धन्यवाद।
What a powerful performance by our dear students. Thank you so much for spreading such awareness with a beautiful skit and Nukkad Natak. I would request our Honorable Principal Sir to felicitate our guests, Mrs. Smitanjali Mishra and Mrs. Jayashree Das, as they are our pillars of strength and support, two most powerful women. Ma'am, please. Dear audience, may we have a big round of applause for our guests tonight. As you all can see, the women power all over here. They are the silent support, working systematically back end, so that everything over here that you see in the front works well. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion. Through such events, we get time to meet you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us tonight. Keep blessing us. Thank you so much. Moving forward, Shivansh and Aradhya, please take over.
What an impactful performance. It has created awareness in a meaningful way. Thanks to our talented students for spreading such important social messages through your organic acting. We would love to see such more performances in the future. Now is the time with electrifying beats and energetic moves. Our students from grades 3 and 4 are here with a fun-filled Western dance performance on a popular Korean track.
Our young dancers for this fun-filled and energetic performance. We can't stop grooving here.
And the excitement continues. A huge shout out to our senior performers as they take over the stage with style, confidence and high energy moves. Get ready to enjoy an electrifying performance on BTS hit song Dynamite.
The audience, let's welcome our students with a thunderous round of applause.
Thank you to our senior performers who are ending this culture segment with such electrifying energy. Your confidence and enthusiasm were truly outstanding.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Behind every successful student stands with a guiding mentor and a supportive teacher. Let us take this opportunity to honor and appreciate our dedicated coaches and teachers. A sincere thank you to our wonderful teachers and coaches for equipping our students with valuable skills that will guide them both inside and outside of the classroom. Your guidance, dedication, and encouragement have helped us grow with confidence, creativity, responsibility, and wisdom. Thank you, and let's give an honor.
Respected Principal Sir, Pallavi Ma'am and Lipika Ma'am, we would like to invite you to the stage to do the honors. We are going to facilitate our coaches who worked tirelessly all this 9th and the 10th day to bring magic on the stage. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. First of all, a huge thank you to all our facilitators and coaches, those who had put in a lot of efforts and worked tirelessly day and night to bring magic to make the show successful. To begin with, I invite Dr. Deepak Kumar Acharya, our AI and coding facilitator. May we have a big round of applause for them, please? Moving on, Mr. Ranjit Nayak, our basketball facilitator. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Nayak, our lawn tennis facilitator. Dear parents, I request you to keep applauding for them. It's their hard work that you saw on the stage. Mr. Preetham Kumar Jaina, football facilitator. Mr. Pradip Tagiri, our skating facilitator. Then we have Mr. Debasis Mahapatra, classical dance facilitator. Then we have Mr. Debasis Mahapatra, our classical dance facilitator. Dear audience, kindly give a big round of applause. The thunderous clap should not end. Mr. Tuhin Goswami, Western dance facilitator. Next, Ms. Shriya Senapati, guitar facilitator. Next, we have Mr. Parshuram Maharana, photography facilitator. Next, we have Ms. Subhashri Swai, calligraphy facilitator. Ms. Subhashri Swai, calligraphy facilitator. modeling facilitator. He was assisted with Miss Lakshmi Priya Behra. Next we have Mr. Ravi Narayan Das, Indian Vocals and Instruments Facilitator. Thank you so much, respected coaches. It is only because of your hard work and dedication and your passion that was reflected on the stage today. We could see our students doing amazing job on the stage. Thank you so much. We'll have a group photo. Dear facilitators, kindly join. We'll have group picture. Also, I'd like to request New Lifestyle Studio and Skyrar Event and Promotions. Dear in charges, kindly join us on the stage. Thank you for your support. New Lifestyle Studio and Skylark Event and Promotions. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of our journey today. Skyara Event and Promotions. Dear audience, what you see today is because of their passion and hard work. And that's only because of them. This 9 days journey is what we could present it on the stage today. Thank you so much, coaches and facilitators. So, picture. Dear audience, may we have a big round of applause for them. It was not an easy task for these teachers to take care of the students and equally get some magic from them. Thank you so much, team. Next, primary team members, kindly get onto the stage. I'd like to request. Thank you so much. This is the back support that we have received, and they have also worked tirelessly through all these 10 days. Dear audience, may we have a big round of applause for them too.
I would now like to propose the vote of thanks and bring this evening to a close. Respected dignitaries, honored guests, dear parents, teachers, and my dear students. Gratitude is the fragrance that rises from the heart and spreads its warmth everywhere. With immense joy and gratitude, I stand before you today to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion, the grand finale of the Summerscape 2026. At the onset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests of honor, Mrs. Pallavi Mohapatra and Mrs. Lipika Devangan. I express my sincere thanks to our respected President, Sir, Mr. Prashant Mohapatra, for his vision, his encouragement and unwavering support. Our heartfelt gratitude to our respected Chairman, Sir, Mr. Amit Mishra, for his constant guidance, continued encouragement towards a holistic education. A special note of thanks to our respected Principal, Sir, Mr. S.K. Singh, whose leadership, dedication and constant motivation made this Summerscape 2006 a grand success. Sir, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Our sincere gratitude to all our leaders, Mrs. Priyadarshini Sarangi, Headmistress ECCE, Mrs. Varsha Sharma, Academic Coordinator Classes 3 to 7, and Mrs. Sucharita Das, Academic Coordinator Classes 8 to 10. Thank you, dear leaders, for your constant support and guidance. To all our dear parents, thank you for your faith in our school, your cooperation, and your enthusiastic support towards your children throughout this enriching 10 days has brought us to an amazing success. I would also like to extend my deepest appreciation to all our coaches, trainers, experts of various activities who passionately trained and mentored our dear students during these 10 days. Your expertise, patience, and dedication helped ignite confidence, creativity, and new skills in every child. My dear colleagues, a big thank you to all of you for your unwavering support, guidance, tireless effort, and a never saying no attitude. Your commitment behind the scenes ensured that every activity was conducted smoothly and meaningfully. My sincere appreciation also goes out to the entire administrative team, from accounts, media, store, support, transport, food department, designing, logistics and operations, to the printing team. for working relentlessly day and night to make this event seamless and memorable. To all our floor managers, support staff, housekeeping staff and helping hands, the true pillars of our institution, a very big thank you. Your silent efforts and dedications often go unnoticed, but today we acknowledge them from the bottom of our hearts. A special thank you to Mr. Shubhranshu Shekhar, all our vendors, and for the magnificent stage, setup, lights, sound, and to New Lifestyle Studios. You have added a special impact to our entire celebration. We thank you all for making this day a memorable day. And finally, to our wonderful students, thank you for your enthusiasm, energy, and discipline, and your vibrant participation that truly brought the summerscape to life. Although it's extremely hot and we understand that the heat is a part of our life, but the energy today has definitely brought us some relief. On behalf of the entire school fraternity, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every person who contributed directly or indirectly towards making the summerscape a grand success. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Have a wonderful evening. Jai Hind. Good night.
On behalf of the entire GD Goenka team, we would express our heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Padmini Maria Nayak, whose constant efforts, dedication and day and night planning were the driving force behind the grand success of Summerscape 2026. Her tireless commitment, day and night planning and exceptional coordination made this event truly memorable and successful. We sincerely thank her for her invaluable contribution and inspiring leadership. An incredible journey this Summerscape 2026 was.
Absolutely. Fun activities to amazing performances. Every day was full of energy and excitement.
Now is the time to relax. Will you announce the summer holidays?
Oh yes, as Summerscape 2026 comes to a close, we wish all our students a joyful, safe and refreshing summer break. Keep learning, keep smiling and come back with wonderful memories. We'll meet again in June.
Thank you everyone.
Everyone,
stay creative, keep smiling and enjoy your summer.